What is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be going over crypto.com versus Robinhood. So now you're probably thinking, hey, I gotta diversify my portfolio, but where exactly do I start? Well, both of these platforms offer a user-friendly interface to buy and sell investments, but there are some key differences to consider. So let's break it down. So crypto.com is a platform that's all about crypto. They have a massive selection of coins, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the way to some serious altcoins. So you can usually earn interest on your crypto holdings, which is also a good perk. But here's the catch. Crypto.com charges fees for buying and selling crypto, so while they are not incredibly massive, it's something to be aware of. Also, they don't really offer stock trading, so if you're looking for a one-stop shop, this might not be it. But Robinhood, on the other hand, is known for its commission-free stock trading. That's right. You can buy and sell stocks without any pesky fees eating into your profits. So they also offer some crypto trading options, but the selection is way smaller compared to crypto.com. And the downside, Robinhood has been criticized for its limited investment options and some not so good customer service experiences. Also, they don't offer features like crypto staking, which can be a bummer for some crypto enthusiasts. So ultimately, the best platform really depends on your investment goals. So make sure to do your research, consider what you want to trade, and don't be afraid to try out both platforms to see which one feels right. Alright, that's all we had for this one. Please leave a comment and of course subscribe, then we'll see you in the next one.